Hello and welcome to Tech24. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for all the latest tech reviews and updates. Today, we're taking a look at the Corsair Dominator Platinum RGB 128GB DDR4 memory. This is a powerhouse of a memory kit designed for high-end system builds and those looking for top-of-the-line performance. The iconic and refined design of the Dominator Platinum perfectly complements the world's best PCs, ensuring that your build stands out from the crowd. But it's not just about looks. The hand-sorted, tightly screened memory chips ensure high-frequency performance and tight response times, with plenty of overclocking headroom. The construction of the Dominator Platinum combines precision die casting and anodization, creating a premium memory kit that's built to last. And of course, we can't forget about the 12 ultra-bright, individually addressable CAPELLIX RGB LEDs per module, which allow for spectacular customizable lighting with low power consumption. What's more, the patented DHX cooling system pulls heat away from the modules, allowing the Dominator Platinum to stay cool even under extreme loads. This ensures that your system runs smoothly and efficiently, even during intense gaming sessions or demanding workloads. So if you're looking to take your PC to the next level, be sure to check out the Corsair Dominator Platinum RGB 128GB DDR4 memory. You can find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Tech24.